Good design is good business. Welcome to all our viewers, so excited to see you. In this series we will learn in detail the importance of logo design and how to design a logo. So, now the question is, what is logo? A logo is a design or symbol used to identify an organization or company, as well as its services, products, employees, etc. In simple words, we can say that logo is the face of any brand and the first marketing of the brand. Design of logo should be good and very impactful to represent the values of brand. Logo will do marketing of brand and consumers and customers. Also do the branding in front of competitors. I think you noticed that in daily basis we observe 1000 of logo design. Even if you are currently in school, hostel, bus stop, hotel, bookshop, club or company, just make your eyes around, there are 1000 of logo design. Please subscribe, like, support us and share our videos with your friends and explore your skills with us.